So I'm here to try out the Phantom Theater ride. I turned on the navigation to get me to Phantom Theater. Oh, I found it. Oh my goodness. It is just a mob of people. We'll join the mob, I guess. Oh, wow. That's awesome.
No, you're brave. I know you are.
Can you take a wild guess how long I waited for that ride? I'll give you some clues. I rope dropped, so it was 11:50 when I got in the mob outside the gate. They opened the gate at 12, got in line. Okay. They had the queue going through the Snoopy area, the Snoopy stage show, where you go and get photos with the Snoopy characters. They did have actors walking along the queue, which was really cute, and I really enjoyed. The reason I waited in such a long queue line and opted not to use my fast lane, because Prestige Pass you get a fast lane per visit, was because I wasn't sure if the queue line was going to be different for fast lane or standby, and so I chose to do the standby, and they were basically the same. The animatronics were cool. The Maestro was really cool. No Legs Larry, I could hardly hear him. He was really, really low. It was really hard to hear.
Yeah.
Let's put these people to work.
That's what I thought.
Enjoy the sounds of my of the restless headliners of the Phantom Theater assembled.
You study on your phone, couldn't you?
I have to watch video. I watch video going every 10 quiz. Then I'm ready for my final exam. Tell how many.
Excellent.
My class is not running shorter
Forgetting off those ghost notes. That happens one time. Shut up again. It's not a place for the weak of heart.
info on that IA class.
I gotta do that.
Yeah. By that time you're waiting, they start something else.
So, what are you looking at? Yes, through there. It is going to be a perfectly grand reopening night at the Phantom Theater. What will possibly go wrong? All right, I'll let you know. Other than those things,
just in case something does go wrong, here's a short how-to slideshow I made for our new hunters.
How to be an usher. Follow these steps and soon you'll be on your way to an exciting premiere that features challenging tasks like constantly cleaning out the location of the bathroom. As you enter the theater's inner lobby, carefully step onto the moving platform and board your enchanted opera box. Once aboard your magical transport, remain seated, keeping your head, arms, and especially your legs inside the opera box at all times. Once seated, grab your trusty flashlight and press the button to identify the color of your light's beam. Inside here, press your flashlight button and point your beam at anything that might get in the way of the performance, such as harmoniously haunted ghost boats. Snap windows with your color light and send them back to Maestro's music score where they belong. Speaking of scores, Larry, our head usher, will be keeping your score and will give you the results at the end of the show. It's almost time. Come on, so get out there, ushers, and let your light shine. We have a magnificent production plan. You're going to love it to death. What did he say?
Everywhere they go, and it can only be stopped by shining a beam of light on them, which sends them zipping back to the light.
Larry, are you afraid? What the musical notes? Loading alarm impulsive habit? That would never happen.
But that's precisely what happened last time.
Oh. What could possibly happen?
Just in case anyone needs to shine a light on the situation. He has always kept a single up on the state of its own. Or spirits.
Enough of your blabbering. We've got a show to put on. What are you waiting for? This is what you wanted to see, isn't it?
Something eerie about both of them. I felt like they kept making eye contact with me. That was really creepy. Are they supposed to do that, or was that a coincidence? Some of the things that No Legs Larry was saying that I could hear, he said, "I ain't afraid of no ghosts." He also said it was enough to make you blast your booze, which, if you know a little bit about this new ride that opened today, it used to be Boo Blasters before this.
They're animated. Oh, you said open their life.
You're gonna hear it in my voiceover if the audio comes out. They're only filling every other car, and they are not filling the cars all the way. The car's seat 3. I was a single rider. They put one of me in there, so that is why it took so long.
Number 3 for me.
Thank you. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I got my own car? Doesn't matter where I sit? Okay. Thank you.
Please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs inside the opera box at all times. And please watch your children.
Welcome, fellow ushers. Remember, all the world's a stage.
Till showtime.
Are you ready to be an usher? It's 10 minutes till showtime.
Okay.
Looks like we're gonna have a full house
I
for
think
the
I'm
show.
going. Okay. Oh, the Maestro. Oh, I see the ghost nose.
Let's go
I
backstage
see the
where the
ghost
cast
nose.
is rehearsing.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Hi,
here's
cast.
the Maestro.
The ghost notes. Get the ghost notes. Get the ghost notes. Get the ghost notes. Oh my goodness. Get the ghost notes.
We need your help.
I'm trying.
Let's take off.
Oh my goodness.
Send it back into the pipe hole.
I'm trying. So many ghost notes.
Wow, there's too many of them. It's Ghost Note madness.
Who are you? Ah! The thing just fell on me. Whoa! Oh, who's this? Or get the ghost note. I'm getting him. I'm getting him. Woo! I just got blasted with air. Getting the ghost note. So wealthy. Look at this singer guy. I think I'm getting him. What am I doing? My hand's getting tired. I'm the only one in my car. That's why the line is moving so slow, because they're not filling the cars to capacity. My car can seat 3. Oh no! High voltage! Oh, watch out for the chandelier. Oh, look at this guy. Chandelier.
Oh no, they're still here.
They're still
And it's
here.
almost showtime.
Ah! Get it! Ooh, get him! Ah, 1 minute till showtime. Who's Bosco?
Where's the Maestro? He forgot his music again.
I don't think Malcolm would like this. Chris will probably like it. I don't think Malcolm would like this. It's the finale! Everyone's on stage! Also, I don't think there's anyone in the car in front of me. I think they're filling every other car. Those notes got them all tangled up. Ah! Oh, how'd you get in there? How'd you get in there? Whoa! How'd you get over there? Boiler room. Why are we going to the boiler room? Whoa!
Good work. This Ghost Note will never get out of there.
Why are they in the furnace? Ah! The furnace exploded. Furnace exploded. I think they're getting away. Ah! They keep spraying me with air. Ghost, no.
Uh-oh. They've escaped again. You think you got away, but you'll be back.
Yes,
You'll
we'll
be
be
back.
back. My score. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Another clue. Immediately after I got off, I ran to the nearest restaurant I could find. My blood sugar was low. I ate breakfast this morning at around like 8:30, 9 o'clock. And then I got to the park at 11:30 and a little after. And I didn't have time to stop anywhere for lunch because I went straight to get in line with the mob of people at the ride. So my blood sugar was low. I was shaking pretty bad. That's another clue. The first hour was outside in direct sun, no shade, no breeze. The second hour was half inside in the AC in the Snoopy part I was talking about, and then half back outside. But the outside was in the shade and there was a breeze this time. The third hour was inside the actual queue line inside the Phantom Theater. And so I must have listened to the Maestro and No Legs Larry do the same things over and over and over and over again a dozen times. So I could have done my fast lane and only stood in line for an hour instead of 3.5 hours. Was that a mistake? Yes, that was a mistake. I could have only waited an hour and got the same exact experience. So, if you have fast lane and you want to use it because the ride is so new and popular, I recommend using it. You're not going to miss anything. Something annoying, I forgot to bring my headphones in. So I did all that with no headphones. People were probably looking at me funny because I was the only one in my group, a single person. Oh, the ride's going up. Here it goes. Oh, there goes that one. Some things I noticed while online is that people were already wearing merch for this ride. I don't know where they got it. I also saw a lot of people with Carowinds merch. Some of the merch they did have, they had pins, magnets, keychains, blankets, and of course shirts.
I guess I got my $10 off.
Fun merch.
You'll buy it better.
Look, they move. They move. People love this park. I'm excited. I'm excited to ride some rides. I'll let you know more after my first actual ride. Well, after my first actual roller coaster.
Hit subscribe if you want to watch the next video. Bye!